Guys, sometimes you see something like this, and I always look at people's hitches and look at the nut on that. Guy doesn't even have that thing on there. I'm gonna have to try to tell him about his hitch, maybe in the next stoplight. But yep, whoever put that on there didn't tighten the nut up. But that's usually why you'll see like trailers on the side of the road and stuff, or failing trailers. Probably have to follow him if I can. I don't know.
He's trying to get over.
His light's red, ours is, oh, he is trying to get over here. I'll let him in. Oh yeah, it's clunking. I just heard it. So that thing's totally clunking around. We'll go pull him over up here and tell him his hitch is falling off. Oh, listen to that thing. This thing's clunking around all over the place. This guy's flying. Catch up here in a second. Oh, let's hear it over the speed bump. Maybe he's taking a shortcut through this parking lot. Okay, he's going to McDonald's. Hopefully it's on the drive-thru. It is. He's going in the drive-thru. I'm just going to have to talk to him about it. Your hitch is off. Your ball's falling off.
No.
Swear to God, look. I saw it. See it? Look. The nut.
Oh, yeah. Look. Oh, yes.
Yeah.
Yes, true.
But it's clunking around.
Thank you.
Okay, man.
Here, so I'll go over.